55 I just picked up from CIA Mike 11 on OPE forum. Bought it power head only. I am going to be setting it up 18-inch 325 full chisel. However, I'm waiting on my bar and chain that I ordered. So for right now, I've got it set up 20-inch 3/8. Now, Mike tossed in a 7-pin rim, or 7-pin 325 rim. Thanks, Mike. Did absolutely nothing to it except for toss some fuel and oil in it, put the bar and chain on it, and about 4 or 5 pulls started right up. And this one is a closed port. And it's also had a base gasket delete done to it. Get her in the wood this weekend. Thanks for watching.